Hi everyone! In this video, I would like to show you how to make an easy window decoration with paper. The materials you need are 2 origami papers of the same size, a glue stick, and scissors. Let's begin! First of all, we're going to make 8 small papers. If you would like a slower tutorial video, please watch the third video in this origami challenge series. The link is in the description box below. What we will do here is cut 2 regular sized square papers, about 6 inches or 15 centimeters on each side, into 4 small squares each, to make a total of 8 small square papers. Here are the 8 small papers. Move these small papers aside, but leave one. Flip the paper so the white side is facing up. If your paper has the same color on both sides, you don't need to flip it. Rotate the paper to bring one corner in front of you. Match the bottom corner with the top corner and fold a triangle. Then open the triangle. You will see a crease, a horizontal folded line in the middle. Now match the bottom left edge with the center crease. Next, match the top left edge with the center crease. That's it. Only 3 folds. Now fold the other 7 squares in the exact same way. Did you fold all 8 pieces? If not, pause this video and finish folding them. We're now going to glue all 8 pieces. Take your glue stick and bring one piece. Just like opening a pair of doors, open the front flaps and put some glue inside. You can draw a triangle or just a circle with glue, then close the front flaps. Do the same for the other 7 pieces. If you haven't finished gluing all 8 pieces, please pause the video and finish them. Let's assemble them together. This part is a little tricky, so grown-ups can help. If you look closely at a piece, there is a white upside-down triangle, and inside it you will see 2 small triangles. Can you see them? We're going to glue the small triangle on the right side. Put glue on just that side. Then bring another piece to the right. Match the straight center line of the first piece with the lower left edge of the second piece. To do this, pick up the second piece, tilt it slightly to the right, and stick it on. Can you see how the center lines match nicely? And even the bottom points line up? Now rotate the second piece straight up. Bring a new piece next to it. Look at the upside down triangle at the bottom. Again, you will see 2 small triangles inside. Put glue on the right small triangle. Pick up the new piece, tilt it to the right, and paste it. Can you see how the side and center lines line up beautifully? And the center point too? Next, rotate this piece straight up. Repeat the same steps. Bring a new piece next to the old one. Glue the right side of the triangle. Pick up the new piece and stick it on. Continue this process until you've used all 8 pieces. Now you've glued all 8 pieces. If not, please finish gluing all 8. This piece is the very last, 8th one. Bring the piece straight up like this. Glue the right side of the white upside down triangle. Now on its right side, you will see one piece hiding. Gently bring the left side of the hiding piece over the glued part and press it from the top. That's it! Ta-da! This is an easy window decoration. You can tape it to your window or hang it from the ceiling. It might take a little while to finish because it's your first time, but it only uses 3 folds, which makes it easy to remember. And even 4 or 5-year-olds can enjoy this project. I did this with my late 4 and 5-year-old students, and the assembling part was a little confusing for some of them. Be sure to tell them there should be 8 sharp points and not to overlap them. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and try making this decoration with different colored papers. Thank you for watching.